My name is Leonard, the CEC for Agriculture, Livestock, Fisheries and Veterinary Services, Nakuru County. Farming has always been a preserve. There is a belief that it's a preserve of the older generation. But we are happy now that our youths are turning into having that urge to learn more on farming techniques, the modern techniques of how to improve our food security in our country. So it's very encouraging to us as government and as a nation that our youths are now turning into agriculture. I want to urge my good farmers from Nakuru County and the entire country to take advantage of this El-Nino. El-Nino is coming with both good things and of course the negative things. But us as the farming fraternity, I want to urge our farmers to take advantage of the excess rain that they can utilize to plant, to do short season crops so that they can maximize on the same, and we are guaranteed of food security county next year.
Tumekuwa na vijana ama young people ambao wamekuja katika shughuli hii, kumaanisha kwamba agriculture ime attract not only the old people but the young people, na wakulima ambao wanatoka katika itawafanya kwamba kuweza kujua kwamba ni mbinu hipi wanaweza kupractice hii agriculture na iweze kuwapatia mapato.